Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls and women who see this video, I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Spiky and messy hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas into short wave and curls on hair. Curly hairstyle. Some ideas wave and curl naturally. Some ideas make curl with color. And some collection fine hairstyle. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered, some ideas step, and some ideas in undercut. So attractive and latest ideas of undercut and shaved art. And so beautiful and eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Lawn color. Burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And many much more beautiful and stylish collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women to see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. Take care and bye bye.